So I'm changing the intake gasket on this Dodge Ram fan, and after some heat, in like half an hour, we still have 3 stuck studs in there, like broken bolts. And look at this. If you're a mechanic, you know this feeling. Now the next step is to get this wrench up, but that's one down. 2 to go. The front ones are out, and the last one over here. Would you look at that? Didn't even use the torch because this is the fuel line. Just a little bit of persuasion. We got it out. And that's how you do it, guys. Let's mount her back and give it back to the customer. Thank you guys for watching.